Are you looking for the best emergency food supply kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best emergency food supply kits that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the good-to-go dehydrated backpacking and camping food. If you're not necessarily concerned with worst-case scenarios and just want some good food on hand for multiple-day emergencies, you may be able to go with these offerings from Good to Go, which make camping-focused, gourmet options that taste far better than a lot of things in this general category. These are sold in lightweight packages which double as the cooking and food vessel, as you'd expect. There are double-serving and single-serving pouches available, and in some varieties, like Thai curry, smoked 3-bean chili, and herb mushroom risotto, you can get bulk packages of 12, which can provide somewhere in the realm of 9,000 calories. All are prepared by simply adding boiling water to the bag. Though it would be on the costly side, you could also buy these individually and customize a menu of sorts to get you through emergencies without sacrificing healthy, flavorful meals. In addition to the 3 listed above, you can also get pad thai, kale and white bean stew, Mexican quinoa bowl, bibimbap, classic marinara with pasta, Indian vegetable korma, and chicken gumbo. In addition, there are weekender 3-packs and 5-day emergency food supply kits, though these are out of stock at the time of this writing. Moving on at number 4, we have the Survival Tabs Emergency Food Ration. If you want to scale your rations down, you might consider going for something in tab form. These are aimed more specifically at providing the essential vitamins and minerals you need to survive more than they are at providing full meals. A serving of 12 tabs includes 100% of your daily requirements. These are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin C. This is a multi-flavor pack that includes 180 tablets each of chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and butterscotch. Each tab only provides 20 calories, though, so you may still need another source of food. This will provide the bare essentials to keep you going, but in many scenarios, you'll need more calories. Still, these are easy to tote around and can provide nutrients if you're eating something in bulk like rice, for example. You can also get smaller quantities, as well, but more is probably better in the case of this option. At number 3, we have the Augason Farms 72-hour one-person emergency food supply kit. For a sense of normalcy in survival rations on a restricted budget, consider this offering from Augason Farms. There are 42 servings across 5 different meal types, which works out to about 2,667 calories per day for 72 hours. The included meals are maple brown sugar oatmeal, creamy chicken-flavored rice, creamy potato soup, hearty vegetable chicken soup, and banana chips. To make any of these, you'll just need to add heated water and stir, occasionally with a whisk, so make sure you have one or something like one in your go bag. You may also need to have some resealable food storage bags to make the best use of this, as the portions are not individually packaged. This is likely a cost-cutting measure that keeps the overall price quite low, but if you're expecting parceled-out meals, you'll be disappointed in this option. Having bags to make your own portions, even after initial cooking, will help. If you want more meal types or have more than one person to feed, consider the 72-hour 4-person emergency food storage kit. You could also go the individual ingredient route and assemble your own meals using options like black bean burgers, vegetable stew blend, or even simple rolled oats. At number 2, we have the Patriot Pantry 4-week emergency food supply. You are going to love this package of emergency food that is available in a number of flavors and comes in a 252 serving package. The biggest catch to this emergency food supply is that you need boiling water to make these meals. This means that they are better for a standing camping site or an emergency situation with easy access to a kitchen, boiling water. Now, they have a 25-year shelf life, which is amazing for preppers that like to be way ahead of the pack. The carry weight of 20 pounds is easy to store and take with you, but it might be more logical to carry only a few servings at a time. Each serving provides the recommended 2,000 calories per day, which will keep the weight on and give you the energy you need to not just survive but to thrive. Here is a great water boiling and filtration system that will allow you to enjoy these meals even without the use of a kitchen. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ready Wise Company long-term emergency freeze-dried food supply. If you want to get serious about your survival food stores, you may want to look into a product that ships in a massive bucket that is easy to carry and easy to store. This particular size contains 120 servings. Assuming 1 serving per meal, 3 meals a day, this would provide one person a meal supply for 40 days. Of course, you can make it stretch any number of ways, if needed, though each pouch contains 4 servings, so you'll have to be a little bit judicious in your preparation. These come with a 25-year shelf life and ship in waterproof, sealed buckets. Naturally, Wise has other offerings, as well, including specific food supplies, like meat buckets, veggie buckets, fruit buckets, meal pouches, weekender kits, and single bucket preparedness packs.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.